3 mistakes killing your creative business. Your creative business is probably bleeding, and you don't even know it yet. You're putting in the work, the hours, the passion, but you're still stuck. Why? In this video, I'll show you 3 silent mistakes that are killing your creative business and how to fix them before it's too late. I get it. You're a designer, an artist, a printer, a framer. You've got the skill, but the money isn't consistent, the clients aren't coming, and you're frustrated. Here's the truth. Most creative businesses don't fail from lack of talent. They fail from these 3 silent killers. Mistake number 1, no clear brand positioning. You're doing everything for everyone. One day you're framing photos, the next you're printing shirts, the next designing flyers. That confuses people. People don't pay for variety. They pay for clarity. To fix this, define your niche. Say what you do in 1 sentence. For example, I help families preserve memories through custom frames. Simple, clear, powerful. Mistake number 2, undervaluing your work. You're charging too little, afraid to lose clients, but cheap prices attract cheap clients, and they drain your energy. You're not just selling frames or designs. You're selling meaning, memory, value. To fix this, you need to charge your services based on value, not fear. Offer options. You're worth more. Mistake number 3, no systems. Still taking orders in DMS? Forgetting delivery dates? No price list? That's not a business. That's chaos. Step to fix this. Use systems. Google Forms and Canva templates. Even free tools like Notion. Automate what you repeat. Make business easier and scalable. Listen, you don't need more hustle. You need a clearer voice, better pricing, and structure. Fix these 3 mistakes, and your creative business will stop surviving and start scaling. Which of these mistakes have you made? Be real. Drop it in the comments section.